Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our best journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. And before I start the video, guys, just want everybody to know that everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So in today's video, we're definitely going to be talking about, is AMC Entertainment worth a buy at $5.54? Does the company have a lot of long-term potential growth? Can the company make it through the pandemic? So as you guys know, AMC Entertainment is an entertainment company, right? They have movie theaters all over the United States. But a lot of people have been asking, is AMC Entertainment going to survive as a company? Is the company going to go bankrupt? If we take a look at the 1 month chart here, as you guys can see, kind of trading around $2, $3. And then we had this huge spike up on January 27th, 2021. A lot of people, kind of a Reddit-fueled rally. A lot of people thought it was going through a short squeeze, although some people do argue that AMC Entertainment never really went through a short squeeze altogether. They believe that the company was on the verge of going through a short squeeze, but the company in itself was actually limited from trading by a lot of brokerages, which did cause people to panic sell the stock altogether. People got worried, and the volume kind of never really revisited the stock altogether, but there's a lot of people who are super bullish on AMC Entertainment, and they want to know if their investment is a very good investment. So we've definitely had some good news with AMC Entertainment. So AMC Entertainment ruled out bankruptcy for now. It's not an indefinite thing. It's not like AMC Entertainment's like, okay, we're safe. We're not going from bankrupt to just basically, okay, we're doing okay. When the stock shot from $3 all the way up to $20, they were able to sell some common share stocks, being able to kind of kill off some of the debt. Obviously, AMC Entertainment has not been doing that well ever since the pandemic has kind of hit the world. Obviously, you cannot be in crowded spaces, so AMC Entertainment has not been doing that well. And although some movie theaters have actually opened up, they cannot operate at full capacity. So movies and kind of this specific industry of the business is not really doing that well right now. And it leads a lot of people to ask, can AMC Entertainment make it through this? Should you buy AMC Entertainment at $5.54? I do want people to know that I don't think AMC Entertainment is a horrible investment. I do think that AMC Entertainment can make a solid recovery if the pandemic can subside long enough before AMC Entertainment actually does file for bankruptcy. Like I said, obviously, we've taken a look at it, and obviously, like I said, the pandemic has taken a big hit on this specific industry in itself. So a lot of people do think that AMC Entertainment can recover. For me, I do think the same. I do think AMC Entertainment can recover. I don't think movie theaters are ever going to go away, even though there's, streaming is getting more popular, and AT&T is basically releasing every movie that releases in 2021 on HBO Max. So that's definitely going to hurt the business side of AMC Entertainment. But if we dive in a little bit deeper and we actually take a look at the bigger perspective, the classical movie theater trip, the one that people love to go with their friends or their significant other, is probably never going to go away. I think it's a very good idea. It just so happens that AMC as a company in itself suffered a lot harder from the pandemic than a lot of other stocks as well. So if we take a look at like airlines, if we take a look at like travel and AMC Entertainment in itself, like these companies are not doing well just due to the fact that the pandemic is still kind of wreaking havoc all over the world. And they're still not allowing people to be in close proximity spaces. A lot of people are optimistic that AMC Entertainment will make a solid recovery once the pandemic actually starts to subside. We don't know what that is. A lot of people are aiming for the pandemic to actually be done by the end of this year. So let's pray and hope that AMC Entertainment can actually make it through this so the company can get back on the track. I don't think it's a horrible investment. I do think that, AMC Entertainment is worth a buy at $5.54. I do think the company can make a decent recovery if the company kind of starts getting a little bit more innovative. In a pandemic, people do have to be a little bit more smart of how they're burning their cash. You have to be able to reserve, and obviously, as fortunate as it can be, AMC Entertainment can make it through this if it does handle a strategic way of kind of going through the pandemic and trying to be innovative on trying to raise more money. Obviously, their earnings have not been that well, and there's also been some other news as well with AMC Entertainment. We have Wanda Group, who's a big-time investor in AMC Entertainment. It's an entertainment company based out of China. They actually converted their shares to actually be able to be sold on the market. A lot of people do speculate that people think AMC Entertainment is actually going to go through a short squeeze. Now, if we currently talk about it right now, AMC Entertainment has a short float of about 78% from when it was last updated. That's a decent amount of short float. That means there's a lot of people out there who are shorting the stock. And as you guys can see, if we go back to the 1 month chart, it definitely sees here, that the company was definitely on its way to skyrocket altogether. The company was going through a short squeeze until a lot of the brokerages relimited the trading on it altogether. And a lot of people wonder, can AMC Entertainment go through another short squeeze, or is it going to go through another short squeeze? Obviously, there has to be news good enough to be able to push the stock upward as possible, which will then in turn make the shorts have to cover their position, especially when it's these big time hedge funds who have millions and millions of shares that are shorted. And if you guys don't know what shorting actually is, shorting is when you sell a stock at a specific price and you're very bearish on it, meaning you think the stock is going to go down and you're going to repay back the shares at a lower price, and you're able to keep the difference. It's a very good trading strategy, but it's also a very intricate one. If you do not know what you're doing, you can definitely get burned on the other side. If you didn't see with GameStop, there was a lot of companies who lost billions of dollars because they shorted GameStop when GameStop ran all the way up to about $500. So if we dive in a little bit deeper, we take a look at AMC Entertainment. Yes, it does have the potential chance to go through another short squeeze. That's definitely a possibility. But if we're diving in a little bit deeper and we actually take a look at it, I don't think AMC Entertainment is a very bad stock. I do think the company can see a solid, decent recovery, and I do think the company does have the potential to go back up to $20 if the company starts getting a little bit more innovative altogether. As long as bankruptcy is out of the question and the company can avoid that altogether, I do think AMC Entertainment does have the potential chance to actually re-hit $20, and I actually do think AMC Entertainment does have the potential to actually go through a short squeeze if the stock is pushed up in the right circumstances altogether. So I don't think it's a horrible investment. And I know a lot of people are wondering right now, if you're holding a high average, you're holding a lot of shares, and people are kind of getting impatient. Just know with the stock market, if you're bullish on your position, just be patient. Stock market is not a day thing, right? You definitely have to be considerate and just give the stock some time to actually make a move. The biggest thing when it comes to the stock market is knowing how to have patience, and definitely being able to see past the patience side of things and being able to be like, okay, the stock is not doing well right now, but I am bullish on it. I know the stock will make a recovery. And then you in turn, and if you guys are holding a high average, a lot of people do like to average down on their positions altogether, meaning that you buy more shares at a lower price to lower down your average cost is also a very good idea if you're bullish on the stock in a very long term. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment stock is a good buy at $5.54? If you guys own AMC Entertainment stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.